Imagine this. You've just moved into a new apartment and need an electrician or a plumber. What's the first thing you do? You Google them. If a website doesn't load quickly, looks unprofessional, or feels sketchy, you will move on to someone else. You see, the way you feel when searching for a service is exactly how others feel when they search for you. Whether you're a consultant, photographer, wellness coach, or you run a local business, having a professional website that builds trust and gets people to take action is more important than ever. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a stunning, high-converting website in minutes using AI, either for yourself or for your clients. To do this, head over to 10Web AI Website Builder. I will leave the link in the description below, so click on it to follow along. On the home page, you can click on Generate AI Website. You need to input a prompt about yourself or your business, and whatever you put here will influence the result you are going to get. So to make it easier, I've put together these 10 copy and paste prompts that you can use. It will work with most of the industries you will ever need to create a website for, such as a service-based business, a portfolio, personal landing page, tech websites, and many more. I will leave this doc in the description below, and all you need is to replace the variables that are in brackets. I added an example for each of the prompts so you can see how to replace them. We'll try some of them to create different websites for you to see the power of this tool. I can go for the first one, which is the service business prompt. I will copy the example of an electrician, paste it into the box, and click on Generate. 10Web AI will get to work and analyze your prompt, optimize it for clarity, then build a clean and detailed structure for your website. Now, if you check the prompt I gave the AI, you will see that I asked it to include 5 pages, which are the home page, about page, services, testimonial, contact, and service area. And if you check the website structure, you will see that it generated all the pages as requested. I also asked it to highlight the services, customer testimonials, and contact info. And if you check the home page, you will see that everything is added as a section. If you wish, you can click on the section, and you will be able to edit the content. You can also click on the plus icon to add a new section. You can drag and reposition the sections and pages, but I'm okay with what the AI gave us here, so I will click on Next. Choose a color that fits the project at the top. I will go with the color red for this site, then you can choose a theme below it. The classic will be good if you are going for something traditional, but for an electrician site, we can go for minimalistic. Then, click on Generate. You will be prompted to create a free account using your Google account or your email address. I will go with the latter and input my details to sign up. As soon as you sign up successfully, 10Web will start creating your website with all the pages and navigations, and finalize everything in less than a minute. When your website is ready, you can click on the preview button to check it. And we can look at the fresh design the AI gave us here. It gave us a bold hero section, with a cool-looking background of an electrician in his workshop that flows into a slide of other related images. These are AI-generated images, as you may have noticed, but it is a quick way to showcase a website. So you will have to replace them with your original photos. We have a simple typography logo at the top, along with website pages on the navbar. We also have a good header copy that instantly builds trust, with a subheader that further explains what the business is all about. If I scroll down, you will see an About section with 2 layouts, and a team of electricians working on a project. Then it shows the service section with a dark background, which adds some contrast to the look and feel of the website. And the photos it generated can give you a direction to follow when you want to add your own photos. Scrolling down, we have a big block of testimonials with the customer reviews and ratings, and your visitors can scroll to the right to read other customers' reviews. At the bottom, it adds a gallery that shows the recent projects with a zoom-in effect, and remember, all of these are from a single prompt. The buttons are also working properly. I can click on the Get Quote at the top, and it will load a contact form where you can be contacted. It also has a working Google map on the right, which corresponds with the location of the electrician. You can also go to any page of the website and you will see that everything is on brand with the color and typeface we chose at the start. To edit your website, you should click on the blue button at the upper right corner of the page. This will load the Elementor page builder and inform you that you've unlocked a 3-day free trial. You can then click on the Start Editing button to enter the editing mode. Now, the 3-day free trial is enough to customize your website the way you want with the AI. And whenever you are ready to go live, you can click on the Upgrade button at the top of the page. This will show you the Pro plans you can upgrade to, and I will explain them later in the video. For now, we can upgrade to the AI Starter, which has unlimited AI credits and can hold up to 10,000 monthly visitors. It is enough for our project here, and you can also go for it if you are running a small business or building a portfolio website. The account has been upgraded, and now we can go back to the editing mode and show you how to edit the website. The structure panel functions like the layers panel, and it corresponds with the sections of the page. To change the images, for instance, you can click on the hero and switch to the style section. Click on the background image, and you will be able to remove or add more photos. You can also click on any text block to edit them. I can highlight this, for instance, and make them bold. You can go to the left and click on Write with AI, and you will be able to generate a new copy or modify the one you have. You can also add a section with the plus icon and select a section on the left. There's a chatbot you can ask questions or seek help from, and you can straight up ask it to perform actions for you. It will take the request and give you the desired result with explanations. You can also drag any of the sections up and down on the structure panel. I will click on Save and Publish, then click on the eye icon to see the changes. Web automatically makes your website mobile-friendly, so you can toggle the view at the top to show the tablet version. Then click on the icon beside it to switch to the mobile version, both of which look amazing. Websites created with Web load super fast. As you can see, we have a 100 page speed score on both the desktop and mobile, with loading time of less than 2 seconds. The website is currently on a Web subdomain, so to change it to a custom one, you can go to Domains on the left, and you will find .com domains for free. This is a free package that comes with your subscription, and you can enjoy this for a year. If you go to the AI Builder, you will find all the pages of the website. And if you want to get a bit technical, you can go to the Advanced section, where you'll find hosting and WordPress settings. Speaking of WordPress, you can click on the W icon at the top to load the WordPress dashboard. You will find the pages on the left, which includes all the website pages. And if you go to the posts, you will be able to add posts which are useful for blogs. Since we are here, I can show you how to add a blog page. Go back to the AI Builder and click on Add Page. You can start from scratch or clone a web page you like on the internet, but the option we need here is the first one. I will type in blog as the page title and describe the blog page the way I want it to appear. Click on Next, and you'll see the AI generating the structure. You can also edit it as before, and if you are okay with it, you should click on Generate. Within a few seconds, your blog page will be generated. And this is how it looks. We have the header, recent posts, and featured posts. It can also be easily edited as before. For example, I can change the skin of this layout to a card. And I can make the columns become 2. You will find the new blog page on the AI Builder of Web, and if you refresh the posts on WordPress, you will find all the posts it generated for the blog. The blog was also added to the navbar at the top, which you can modify from the header section. Web allows you to regenerate your website just in case you prefer other styles. So I tried the same prompt again, and this is what the AI generated. This is also a stunning-looking website with images that drive the message home. It also has other sections similar to the previous one. If you want to see how to generate a personal website with Web, I will try another prompt from my examples like that of a motivational speaker who is based in Austin, Texas. Then I will generate the website. We can choose a classic look for this since it goes well with the speaker's message. And this is what we get. It's a very relatable design with the speaker on a stage and a sign-up form to drive leads instantly. It has a section for the speaker's YouTube channel podcasts, press, and it even wrote his name on the TV, which is amazing. I requested for some of this in the prompt I gave it, but it went further to give me an amazing layout. It also has the booking section, and there's a podcast session at the bottom which makes everything look and feel professional. If you also want to see how to generate a local business website with 10Web, I will create a vegan cafe site for the last demo and see what cool result we can get again. I will choose a material design for this, and this is what we get. It gave us a nice and welcoming hero image that instantly connects with the visitors. Then we have the About section, Menu section, and other sections as well. Now the hero section layout feels the same, but you can always set it to be in 2 blocks, where the text will be on the left and the image on the right. But I think this layout works better for all the sites I've tried today. So check the Google Doc below this video and pick a prompt that relates to your industry. Replace the variables and start generating the next awesome website for yourself or your client. 10Web offers 3 main pricing categories, depending on the kind of website you're building. The business category is for you if you're building a standard site similar to what we build in this tutorial, like a portfolio, local business site, or service-based website. You'll want to choose one of them starting at just $10 per month. They all come with a free domain, worth up to $30, plus fast hosting, AI website builder, and all the essential tools. If you're planning to launch an online store or you need shopping cart functionality, then the e-commerce plan is for you. It starts at $11 per month and supports up to 30,000 monthly visitors, with higher plans offering more traffic capacity and resources. You'll get all the features in the business plan, plus e-commerce capabilities like product management and secure checkout with 10Web payment. If you're an agency, freelancer, or developer who builds and manages websites for clients, you'll want the agency plans. If you manage more than 2 websites or want to scale your services, then the agency plans are a perfect fit for you. So click on the first link in the description to check out 10Web and create your next awesome website. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on 10Web, click on this video. And if you learn 1 or 2 things from this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Scholar. Drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.